Now we are going to discuss about our project. Here you are see that this is our smart traffic control system. Now we are going to start this project. If we connect the VCC and ground to the supply point and ground point, now we are justifying the condition which we are achieving. Here is our truth table which is developed by us. Here we can see that if the every input is 0, I mean connecting with ground, then the output will be achieved to CD lane, which is shown in first figure. Now if we change our condition at D is equal 1, now we are going to transfer the value of this point which is D is equal to 1. Then also the C and D lane is green, which is equivalent to our logical circuit. Now if we see the other value which is 0010, in this condition, now we are applying 0010 condition in this board, and that is also equal with CD lane which is active. Now we are acting some different, which are if C and D both lane are unoccupied and A or B is occupied, which is the condition mentioned in condition number 4, we apply this theory. B is equal 1 and C and D are become 0. B is equal 1 and C and D become 0, then the A, B line are going to be active and C, D lane will be off. Here you can see the result where A and B lane are active. This is A and B lane which are lamppost are here. A and B lane active and C, D lane are 0. And if we change the other condition which is equal 011, that means the C and D lane are active, are occupied, and A or B is occupied, then the condition will be 1, just because that type of condition you are not mentioned in the course, in the lab project, which is not determined, and we are applying this question that 0111 which are showing that the CD value is 1 by C and D value. Here is a C and D value is 1 and the other AB lane is off. Now we are applying the both input if the AB and CD lane are both occupied, which are not mentioned. I think that it will be CD active, just because there is no mention. I set the condition for in that case. So if all of the lane are activated, then CD lane are active as you see in before, and AB lane are off. The most of the case I saw the every student that they are mistaken about in these three equation. Most probably the 1101 and 1110 equation, most of the students are going to mistake there. Now I am applying in this equation at the truth table. So if we apply this truth table 1101, where 1101, as per our condition, our output will be going to A and B lane, where C and D lane is off. That is equivalent with our truth table. And if we apply 1111 and 0 input, then also our AB lane are on and CD lane are become off. In this case, binary decimal input 13 and 14, most of the students are going to mistake. So I declare at the first, and I have shown that this is not an problem. This problem also be solved. Now I am going to show you about our special condition, where if any special lane are activated, if the lane are occupied or not, that was not independent that most of the lane are be occupied or not. But if the special lane, special car is activated with any lane, then the output will be shown in for only that lane, which is equivalent to special condition number 1. Now if we are seeing that we are not changing our decimal input which we are input to the logic gate before, we are not changing that. But if we see that a D lane B lane show or represent that any special car, then only for B lane is activated and all of the lane are become deactivated. And you have maybe a question that if B lane have find any special car, then what to do? If B lane find any of the special car, then only B lane activated and all of other lane A, C and D are being deactivated. And you maybe have a question that if what happened? If A lane are become active with special condition, then A lane are become going active. This is the A lane lamp post. Which A lane are active and all of the lane D, B and C are deactivated. Now condition number 2, if you have a fire service car and an ambulance in lane A and D, then set our priority which are depend on us, and we find that A and D have an active input which find the special car, then we are inputting the A activated and D activated, where we have sent that the A lane are become active and all of the lane are become 0. In condition number 2 case, if A lane sends a special car and at the same time D lane sends a special car, then I have set the condition for active A lane. Now condition number 3, if C lane and B lane sends a special car, then what happened in this case? Now I am going to show you that what will be going to happen there. Now I am activated lane B and lane C. Lane B and lane C are activated with police chasing a robber and an ambulance or like that. That I have set the condition for B lane activated and all of the lanes are become deactivated, which are equivalent with all of the condition which you are given to us to solve this problem.